Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of planting Pink Tradescantia houseplants. First things first, let's talk about the soil. Tradescantia is a type of spathiphyllum that prefers well-draining soil, with a mix of peat moss for extra aeration. Secondly, watering is crucial. Tradescantias are relatively low-maintenance plants and can tolerate dry conditions. However, when you do water them, make sure the soil drains thoroughly before the next watering session. This will help prevent root rot and promote healthy growth. Thirdly, let's talk about light. Tradescantias love bright, indirect sunlight and can even handle direct light for short periods of time without burning or damaging their leaves. So find a spot near a sunny window or under sheer blinds to ensure your plant gets enough sunlight without being overwhelmed by direct light. Finally, remember to provide some support for your plant as it grows to prevent it from becoming top-heavy and falling over. You can use a stake or twine to gently tie the stems to the stake as they grow upward. And that's how you plant a Pink Tradescantia houseplant. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide helps you create a beautiful indoor garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting!